Hello, Miss Anh. I'm Dad. Happy to see you again. Today I want to talk to you about my last summer holiday. Last summer I had a wonderful trip to a mountainous area in Vĩnh Phúc province with my friends. It was a 3-day trip, and after a long discussion, we decided to book a homestay to stay and go by coach. During the trip, we did so many things together. We went to an amusement park and held a barbecue party on the first day. On the second day, we went to a national park. And there were so many kinds of trees there. And the last day, we just stay in the homestay and play together. It's, uh, it was a wonderful trip and we couldn't forget it. And that's all I want to talk. Thank you for listening. See you later.